whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long, but I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Well, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down.
We're gonna wait for our shuttle going to South Farm. Oh, we're gonna sit here. Wait for our shuttle. We're heading now to South Farm. This is our service. It's a jeepney. There you go. Here's our service. Kuya, South Farm? Jeepney. Biyaheng South Farm. Guys, welcome. Okay, so we're here already at South Farm. We're gonna visit the farm here, which is owned by South Palms Resort. There you go.
Sir,
good morning.
Welcome to South Farm. Hello po natin na area. So, ito po yung map natin. So, we're now here in Sala. This is our function room, which is that one. So, we will start at that site sa propagation area po. So, you can see there our local plants. Only Bohol plants po yan.
Okay.
Bohol plants po lahat. So, we have also rabbit. We have guinea pig. Those animals, you can feed them. That's inclusion for the tour or the experiential here. So, going out po is, doon na po kayo sa chicken cup.
Okay.
You can also feed them, but we have time to feed them. So
okay.
Maybe you go there and then they already feed, so hindi na nyo po matry na. Pero yung guinea pig at rabbit natin,
they can eat anytime.
Yes. Kasi matatakaw to eh. So going straight po, you can see our koi pan sa left side nyo po. And then turn left po kayo, nandito po yung lahat ng livestock natin. We have Nubian goat. Nubian goat, just to give you a trivia po, it's international goat. It's not a Filipino.
We're gonna go first to propagation. I don't know what propagation is, but yeah, let's see what's in there. Morning. Propagation. This is the part that we can feed the rabbit, but around the area you can see all the different plants, which is only you can see only here in Bohol. So the different plants here and propagation is the plants that you can only see in Bohol. Originally from Bohol. Oh my god, so cute. Hindi sila lalabas? Okay. Hi, babies! So cute! Oh my god, lumipat sa inyo isa. There's so many. Ang dami nila, ang cute. So, pakain, ayan. Sarap tumambay. Rabbit, mamas, kid, babies. Mga baby na rabbit. So here. Ayaw mo? Ba't sa'yo lang? Ito baby. Takaw. Babies. Come here. This is a tripod. Here, food. Ito ang kitang puti ko. Yung mata nila. Ito. Ito rin. Ito yung tsura. Parang squirrel. Parang ano. Parang ang tawag doon. Ginibig. Here at pond area, there's a lot of koi, so we're gonna try to feed them and see what will happen. Hi babies, fishes. Hindi naman sila napunta. Ayun na, ayun na. Shh. Oh yan. Busog ata. So ayaw nilang pumunta kasi busog na sila. Pero yes, you can see them. Hi guys, ayun, fucking papakain.
Grabe yung hila niya. Parang pati kami.
Ako ay, may mga biik. Hi. Lake Park. Ay, this is the lake part of South Farm. As you can see, there's a big lake. So you can actually fish tilapia and bangus. Oo nga, ba't nandiyan yan? Look at the design. Ah, ito yung sinasabi nilang picture. Look at the design. So we're here at South Farm Restaurant. As you can see, the interior it's really beautiful. So as you can see there, it's made of, I think, bayong, or I don't know how it's called. And this is made of tiles. If you go further, you can see the design. It's like farmer, and of course the caravan. Happy hour all day, all day. This is my favorite part. We're heading out again. We're going to the Mist Cafe. which is located in Alona.
We're heading now to the test.
So what's up guys, so we're here already at the mist. As you can see, look at the view, it's nice and it's beautiful here. So what's up guys, so we're here already at the mist and we're gonna order something to eat and also to drink. So hi guys, so we're here at this already. Their menu is actually a tablet, it's actually an iPad. So you can see all the menu here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sumikit ka. Hello, go ka plate dyan. Sir? Yeah, additional order. Kasi naka-order na kami doon. Dagdagan na namin. I ordered mango burger dito. Look at that. There's a beer, mango, and there's like a lemon thing here. And of course, there's salt around it. It's mango burger.